Hey word workers, welcome to WordWork for another lesson on base words. In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. Let's get started exploring the exciting world of base words. The base word in this video is under. Here are some words related to the base word. Underage, underarm, undercut, underdog, underfoot, undergo, underline, undermine, underpay, underpin, underside, understand, undertake, undertook, underused, underwear. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. The cat is hiding under the table. He is not allowed to smoke because he is underage. Use your underarm deodorant to keep smelling fresh. Large supermarkets can undercut the prices of small corner shops. The underdog team won the championship. Be careful of the hot sand underfoot. The patient will undergo surgery next week. Please underline the important points. His actions will undermine her confidence. Some companies underpay their workers. The strong pillars underpin the weight of the bridge. The mechanic checks the underside of the car. We understand the importance of making and using a budget. I am now ready to undertake learning a new language. She bravely undertook a difficult project. The equipment was underused and neglected. Don't forget to buy new underwear for the trip. Now let's review. Under, underage, underarm, undercut, underdog, underfoot, undergo, underline, undermine, underpay, underpin, underside, understand, undertake, undertook, underused, underwear. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.